Welcome to Art's quick informational video about the Pittsburgh 3/8" drive 6-point standard metric socket. The sockets are marked with the size number only. There's no Pittsburgh name or part number. Socket has a nice chrome finish. It's a little bit unusual they didn't put the Pittsburgh name on it. Most of the time Pittsburgh does mark their sockets with the name. These sockets came out of Pittsburgh item kit 63461. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the Pittsburgh 3/8" drive 6-point metric standard sockets.